Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Peculiar Beauty. Oh my god, guys, you all are welcome. Thank you all so much for the love, for the support. I really do appreciate. Thank you for those of you that is sharing my video. I am using this opportunity to say I am grateful. Guys, are you even ready? Oh my god, are you guys even ready? Like, are you all ready? Like, do you know what I am talking about? Like, get ready with me. Like, this get ready with me is another level. Yes, do you understand that? Get ready with me in another level. Guys, are you all ready to see how I started doing this makeup? Are you all ready to see how I get dressed? Are you all ready? I know you people are not ready. Like, you people are not ready. If you are not ready, get your popcorn. Like, get your popcorn, get your anything you need to get to sit down and relax and enjoy this video. Get everything you need to get just to watch this video. Yes, that is what I said. Get ready to watch this video. Guys, this is just me doing my makeup like normally. Now this is me doing my makeup like the innocent girl just doing our makeup. Guys, hope you guys are ready for this bomb like this. Guys, please share this video if you like what you are seeing, and if you have watched up to this time, please subscribe, like, and share this video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to also use the super signs. Yeah, it is very important. Please guys, use the super sign. Yeah, so guys, are you even ready for this hair? It's like I'm hyping this video too much. Let me calm down. Peculiar, calm down. I'm coming down, okay? Take a breath, calm down. Guys, are you even ready to see my hair? Like, are you ready to see my hair? If you want a tutorial of how I made this hair, let me know in the comment section. Drop it down. Drop it down. And your girl is ready to drop tutorial. If you want me to drop tutorial of how I made this hair, let me know. Peculiar, I want you to drop tutorial. You know I am ready for you all. Like, I am ready with my full chest. Yeah. So guys, just enjoy the video. I will be right back, okay? Don't go anywhere yet. Don't go. You have not seen anything yet. Don't go. Wait. staring at me. All the white men were staring at me. Even my husband were asking me, Peculiar, where are you going to? Like, you look so gorgeous. Even my husband did not even know that it was me. Like, it was me, the woman he married. He did not remember. Oh my God, guys, did you see? Tell me, Peculiar, drop tutorial about this hair. Tell me, I will drop tutorial. I'm the tutorial queen. Don't worry. Be calming down, guys. Calm down. Don't come for me in the comment section. Don't worry. I am going to drop the tutorial. Did you see the girl? Did you see the beauty? Are you seeing what I am saying? Guys, this look is not just what you are seeing here. Is more than this. Yes, it's more than this. It's more than this. It's more than this. Guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. I'm just ranting. I am sorry. Guys, I am already on my village because I am giving you guys the African queen beauty, like the beauty of Benin City, the princess. I am giving you the vibe of princess. Yes, now I am giving you the vibe of princess. Like, get ready with me. You don't know where I am going to, right? Yeah, just watch this video, because even the place I am going to dress like this, they will be staring at me. Like, guys, joke and pass. Like, this beauty that you are seeing here is bump. Like, when I came out of the house, like, everybody was staring at me. Is this Peculiar? I know this girl somewhere. I know this girl. She's my neighbor, right? She's my neighbor. Nobody could even recognize me. That is what I am saying. Nobody could even recognize me in my area. Like, when I step out, I came out from my room like this. Everybody was